Thomas and Friends Adventure. No, Thomas and Friends presents Rumbling Rails, a story of when a little blue brave train and some ponies go into the mine to find out about why the rails were rumbling from outside and inside the mine. Will they figure it out? Let's find out. One day, Thomas and the ponies had to go to Knapford Station, but Thomas had to wait onto a signal. I really hope this signal goes green soon. Suddenly, they heard a loud rumble coming from under the rails.
Whoa! What was that?
I'm not sure. Maybe it was coming from outside Sodor. Maybe it was probably an old mine. Was it, Thomas? Yeah, I've been there before. Last time I was there, I fell into a mine shaft. But I just hope it won't happen again. Let's go. Soon they approached the mine. Thomas moved up and peered inside. The ponies looked throughout the window. They looked a little frightened. They still looked inside the mine to think about the rumbling rails.
But isn't
That old mine!
empty? Yes.
I hear something. Oh, what a big bang! And I just remembered something, Ponies. What? Well, sometimes workers dig down the grounds, like if they're going on cave adventures. I've heard of some cave adventures, and that sea divers don't be able to have time to breathe down there much longer. But there's no water in there. And it's how workers dive, like at that old mine that I went back in 1983. And Gordon told something. United we stand, together we fall.
But digging for things doesn't make a big bang noise.
Well, I'm not sure. Let's go in together. But stay in my cab, all of you. I'll lead the way myself. And Thomas puffed into the mine. It was very dark. Thomas was happy he had a bright lamp. The ponies looked out through Thomas's cab. I'm always happy that I have a bright lamp, but I'm not sure the banging will stop. But I'm sure the rumbling rails have stopped, but not for a little while. There it was again. So Thomas chopped slowly so he could find the bottom of the mine. It was a little dark. The ponies stayed in Thomas's car. Thomas was still happy he had a bright lamp. When he reached the other different part of the mine, he made his own echo of a wee thing. Hello. Well, I think that's my own echo. That wasn't my echo, wasn't it? I'm not sure, Thomas. I'll continue going on. Thomas stopped for a minute. I'm sure that's not causing a big bang. Why? Well, I'm just hoping that the big bangs are stopping, like from outside the mine and inside. But then there was an even bigger explosion.
Whoa.
What was that? Whoa.
Not yet, but I am using it. I'll give you back when I'm done. That was a big explosion. What's that for? Then the ground started to shake, but it wasn't a rumble again. Uh-oh! What's happening? There was a loud kind of rock fall, and it looked like the mine was collapsing! We gotta get out of here! White, after me! And then at last, Thomas made it, and the ponies made it out of the old mine, just in time. Phew, that was close. Maybe it's sure not to go near
So many
mine
track
again.
master items have been conceived, released.